Yeah, kasi um, it's been, silang dalawa, gusto ko ginugulat sa eksena. Meaning, para hindi anticipated yung reactions. I usually either pull Sam aside and tell him, oh, this is what you say, or more or less say something like this, either as a character or as Sam. Likewise with Anne. And even in Maging Sino Ka Man, we've experienced that nung throwing of the ashes ni Anne. Sinurprise ko yung buong cast na Anne was with me dun sa may monitor sa PA system, and I asked her to say thank you to each and every one na sincerely, and it comes from the heart. And that's why I was able to bring out real emotions, that they were all crying, and parang it was like saying goodbye to somebody dear to them, because that was the scene. Now, what happened at Metro Bar was yung character ni Anne, si Sasa, was going to quote somebody dun sa question and answer portion sa isang beauty pageant, which nanggaling dun sa character ni Sam, which is Nico. And parang pinupuri ni Anne yung ni Sasa, si Nico, in public. Given that, parang si Nico, pinupuri, pinapraise, parang I wanted Sam to have that, parang real gulat na parang hindi niya in-expect na pupurihin siya. Kasi alam na niya yung eksena, alam niya yung nasa script. So while retouch si Sam doon and Anne was on stage, hindi napapansin ni Sam. So maglit ako kay Anne, pinulungan ko, and then I said, Anne, you start off with the first 2 lines of the script, and then after you say thank you to Sam. Say thank you. I remember in an interview you said, one thing you said was, you can let your guard down with him. And then she said, and then you take it from there. It's up to you. What do you want to say thank you to him for, sincerely? And then, Anne is a very emotional person, na parang when it comes to those things, because it's very sincere, nadala rin siya sa eksena because that's how it's supposed to be. And then si Sam, nagulat syempre because, and everyone else, actually, it was only Anne and I who knew what was going to happen. So, nung nangyari yun, si Sam, gulat na gulat. And then si Anne, she was teary-eyed when she was, saying it. Tapos nung nag-cut, of course, si Anne was there on stage. And then, in fact, si Sam even went up on stage. Nag-cheer nga lahat. So, nagpe-preview lang ako. And then, niloloko ng lahat. Nag-cheer lahat na, uy. Kasi he went up on stage and sat beside her after nung nag-wipe si Anne ng tears. But that's basically it. Yun lang po yun.
Hindi daw naniniwala si Torech. Baka ganon. Kaloka. Okay.
Hindi ba napaka-relevant yung question niya? Ngayon, we give the microphone to Linda Rapadas, after which magtatanong si Janice de los Santos.
Tapos si Tony Coraza. Direk May, tulad kasi ni Direk Cathy Molina, napiga niya si Bea at si John Lloyd. Kahit ilang beses silang nagkakasama sa pelikula, makikita mo, mafe-feel mo yung iba't ibang emotion na naibibigay nila sa iba't ibang sitwasyon. Ikaw ba, kasi sabi ni Direk Cathy, some part of her life or love life, parang kasama sa paggawa niya ng pelikula. Ikaw pa ganun din, para makaano ka ng kilig factors sa tambalan ni Anna at ni Sam.
Yes and no. Parang, the thing is kasi, we're all friends naman. So, to bring out yung meron sila, yung malilabas yung emotion na yon, it's yung being open to one another. So alam nila kung ano yung napagdaanan ko na before, how in that particular scene, I'm able to relate, and how they can use it, and kung ano yung nangyari sa kanila. Parang, I think it's all yung level of trust. It's not so much yung parang itong particular eksenang to na parang gagamitin ko. Parang yung trust level na, hey, you can trust me because I tell you all these things about myself, and I can trust you because kaya ako sinasabi itong mga bagay na to. Kasi hindi naman basta-basta ka nag-open up sa mga tao. And dahil alam niyo yung pinagdadaanan ng isa't isa or pinagdaanan ng isa't isa, parang dinadala rin doon, yung pagkakaibigan. So, yes, nagagamit, pero si Cathy kasi, siguro magkaiba rin kami ng personality ni Cathy. Si Cathy is very, I guess she's more emotional than I am. Pero parang sa akin kasi, more than myself, sa artista, kung ano yung meron sila, ano yung baon nila, that's what we work on. Yun po.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Sa amin, since may past kayo na, ewan ko kung past na talaga or still existing pa, no? Ayaw niyo namang aminin eh. How was, the reaction na parang, when you learned na you'll be working together again, nagkaroon ba ng doubt na, or nag-second thought ba kayo na huwag tanggapin yung project?
To be honest, yes. Syempre, alam mo yun, syempre nandun yung fear to work with him again or kung ano man, but alam mo yun, more than anything, I think at the time, for me, I think we owed it to our fans talaga who waited so long. So yun yung first baby step namin. As in, that's why I was saying it was really a journey talaga, and we have Direct May to thank for helping us out in the personal department para matuloy yung movie. And, it came out well talaga. For me, I think it's a blessing that it came into our lives kasi at least Sam and I are okay and on a clean slate now. Hindi na kami enemies. Si Sam.
For me, it wasn't really too much of a doubt kasi we were past that ilang stage na, and then there's still times na we had yung mga little away-away. So, mas lalo yung mga first couple days na parang nagdududa ako, parang it wasn't a good idea. Pero like Anne said, it came out to be a good thing. And it really helps dahil si Direk May, kilalang-kilala niya kami. As in, from the start, she saw our love story in real, on the real, and on real life talaga. So she knows us, and I think for us,
How to handle us.
yes, and I think we're very, very, very open with Direk about everything. And so Direk talagang knows how to handle us, how to help us out, and so it really helped us out for the movie and for us personally.
So, pinrepare nyo ba yung sarili nyo na yung first time na magkaharap ulit kayo sa scene? As, syempre, hindi na nga kayo. Pinrepare nyo ba yung ganun?
Yun yung preparation namin ng una, yung Silent War. Hindi nagpapansinan. Pero eventually, sabi nga ni Direk May, nakikita niya sa monitor yung mga little nuances na parang, magkakabati din tong dalawang to. Ikaw na magkwento, Direk, ng mga